Let's see the another NEET important question here. These type of questions were asked in 2018 and 20 NEET question papers. Okay, listen carefully. Which of the following molecules does not follow the octet rule? Okay, here the options: CH4, NH3, BF3 and H2O. For octet rule, the central atom should have 8 electrons around it. Okay, the central atom should have 8 electrons around it. Okay, remember this point. So in short, octet equal to 8 electrons. Okay, so we need to check whether the molecule is satisfied octet rule or not. If it does not satisfy, then that is the correct option here. Okay, that means center atom of these molecules, which one has the less than 8 electrons, that is the correct answer here. Okay, so to calculate the octet rule, here we need to count how many electrons are around the central atom. Okay, so to calculate the electrons, please remember this formula, very important formula: bond pairs into 2 plus lone pairs into 2 of the molecule. Okay, please remember this formula. Okay, what is this means? Bond pairs into 2, lone pairs into 2. What is this means actually? This means each bond pair contributes 2 electrons to the central atom. Okay, plus here each lone pair, okay, contributes 2 electrons to the central atom of these molecules. Okay, let's solve quickly. What is the first option? CH4. First find out the central atom. What is the central atom here? Carbon is the central atom. Right? Carbon is the central atom. How many bonding pairs are there? 4. 4 bonding pairs with the hydrogen atom. Right? How many lone pairs are there? CH4 has 0 lone pairs. Okay. To find out the lone pairs, we have the formula: valence electrons minus bonding pairs by 2. So now apply the formula. How many bonding pairs are there? 2. See, 4. 4 into 2. How many lone pairs are there? 0. So this becomes 0. 4 into 2, 8. So it satisfies octet. Okay. Let's see the another option. What is the second option? NH3. Here the central atom is nitrogen and the bonding pairs are 3 with hydrogen, right? So the central atom is nitrogen, the bonding pairs are 3. How many lone pairs? 1 lone pair, right? Okay. How we got 1 lone pair? Valence electrons are 5 for the nitrogen, right? The bonding pairs are 3. So the formula is valence electrons minus bonding pairs by 2. 2 by 2. 1. Okay, just in case if you don't understand how it came. Now calculate the electrons. Bonding pairs are 3. 3 into 2 plus how many lone pairs? 1 here. 1 lone pair is there. 1 into 2. So 6 plus 2. Again we got 8 as the answer. So the octet is satisfied. But we want less than 8 electrons, which violates the octet rule. Okay, let's solve another molecule. What is the third option here? H2O. Oxygen is the central atom, right? Then how many bonding pairs are there? 2 with hydrogen. Lone pairs are 2 for the H2O. Okay. So now calculate with the formula: 2 into 2, bonding pairs into 2 plus lone pairs into 2. 4 plus 4. Again you got the 8. So octet is satisfied. So now go to the fourth option. Obviously this is the correct answer, but still to find this: F3. Boron is the central atom, right? How many bonding pairs are there? 3 bonding pairs and the lone pairs of BF3 is 0. Okay, so now apply with formula 3 into 2, bonding pairs into 2, lone pairs are 0. So 6, here we got only 6 electrons, therefore we got the 6 electrons, not 8, right? So octet is not satisfied here. So the BF3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. So in summary, to check octet rule, we only count how many electrons are present around the central atom. Okay, if each bond gives 2 electrons, okay, and each lone pair contributes 2 electrons. So the formula is bond pairs into lone pair, bond pairs into 2 plus lone pairs into 2. Okay, if the total becomes, after calculating, if the total becomes the 8, okay, then the octet is satisfied. If it is less than 8, then the octet is violated. Okay, please note this formula. Thank you.